Got a review here for a stunt car for little guys, 6 plus. And I'm not sure how much more plus 6 going to have with this, but we will take it out and take a look. Mine will be just fun enough just for the adults to have a good laugh too. Got your instructions. Looks like it takes 2 AA's. Looks like it may not have a removable battery. Oh, we'll get into that. They do give you a little Phillips screwdriver, USB charging cable. Well, let's go ahead and just chuck some batteries in this real quick, just so that's out of the way. Y'all see where I threw the screwdriver? Oh, right there beside it. Charging port, so it does not have a battery that comes out. Just stays in there. Of course, itty bitty little plug. Plugs in right there. Oh, turn it on. Okay, forward, back. That's right. Whoa!
Oop! Wrong button!
Okay. That was wild. Flashing lights. Oh. See that? Press this button. Okay. So that button is going to make you go backwards to the, I guess it'd be right. Backwards to the left. I don't know if we want to do M again. I think M is just some weird pre-program thing it does. Oh. Kind of like a little demo. Okay, and then again, I would just press one of the buttons. All right, let's put it down and see what it does. Okay, well there's that little speed demon thing. I'm not sure if, see, it's kind of set up for wheelies too, so might be kind of careful about that, because look at this, you know. I can't imagine flipping it over. Oh, okay, yeah, that would make more sense. And then just, yep. Okay, yeah. Much more sense. So in order for it to track forward, whenever you push forward, don't be an idiot. Make sure those are down. I think some little boy, or some little girl, I think some little kid is just going to have a ball with this. You're obviously going to want to have it on not a rocky surface. Otherwise, I'm sure you'll just tear it up. But like, you know, on smooth-ish concrete, doesn't have a whole lot of holes in it and all that, you know. You know, the normal cracks in between each slab would probably be okay. Or even outside on your garage floor. I bet some little kid is just going to love this thing. It was... Excuse me. I thought it was kind of cool. Is it in a more of an open area? Yeah, this thing I'm sure would just be a hoot. So anyway, there you go.